Welcome back, it's Dr. Kyle with Project Wellness Company, and today our product of the month is Biofreeze. And the reason why I bring this up is I know in the Madison area, a lot of people are starting to be more active, which means, running, biking, getting out with the kids, playing, gardening, things like that. And sometimes we can get those aches and pains in those muscles, and an easy way to warm those muscles up if they're stiff, things like that, by using Biofreeze. And one of the things, we just got it into the office, and the cool thing is it's a roll-on, so you don't actually have to get your hands full of the goopy stuff and then have it on your fingers and be worried about touching your eye. You can just take and roll it on the area that you need it, whether it's the mid-back, the low back, the shoulders, pre-workout, post-workout, things like that, just to help warm those muscles up. But a super easy way just to get more circulation to the muscles, get them actively ready to go before going and doing those workouts, especially if it's something that you've been ailing with or dealing with. It's just one more added thing to add in there. So stop by the office to pick up your roll of Biofreeze.